Okay, hello, my name is Daniela Colorado. I'm 20 years old. In my free time, I like to walk, go out to eat, and dance. I live with my grandparents and my dog in Manizales, and I'm studying technology in industrial logistics. Arepa paisa. Arepa are usually eaten in my region during the breakfast, accompanied by a hot drink and a good portion of eggs. Preparation ingredients: 2 cups of pre-cut cornmeal, 2 cups warm water or 1 cup water, uh, 1 milk, 2 cups of grated cheese, salt, 2 teaspoons of butter, and sliced or grated cheese to put on top. Preparation: fish in the large bowl, mix together the caramel, water, grilled cheese, salt to taste, and butter. 10. Use your hands to full compact the dough. Continue for balls the size of a fist and then push them with your hands or with the head of a plate. Next, heat a frying pan on grill and grill is a little oil or butter. Finally, arrange the arepas on the grill and leave them on moderate heat until golden and minutes before serving, to with cheese sliced on top until cheese melts.